This is August 890 here. I'm just kind of doing a quick video to I just put a new exhaust on here. Well, it's really not new, it's semi-new. It's been on here like a month, and I'm just kind of doing a video test, see how it sounds. I know I hear it when I'm riding, but I don't know, maybe it'll sound different from the camera. I'm just kind of debating. The bike I have is a 09 ZX6R, and they have a pre-muffler before you get to the actual slip-on muffler, and I can't decide if I'm going to take that off or not. I don't know if it's loud enough. I don't want to be too loud. I just, hopefully someone will hear me before they turn out in front of me and crash and die and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm just riding this beautiful day. It's very, very beautiful. Kind of where I live. The weather's always nice. It's just usually it's stupid humid. Like stupid humid. This road is literally, it's like a straight shot for almost, God, it's like a straight shot for like 5 miles, 4 miles, something like that. It's, I don't know, when they designed the road, I just guess they thought, hey, let's do how a road actually should be. I've never understood why roads have like 50 curves in them. I mean, I know it's fun and all, but it saves so much time if you were to just make the road straight. Never understood that. It's like, well, you can't build this road on my property, but you can cut right through the middle of it. I don't know. Whatever. It makes no sense at all. I hope this video turns out good. I've tried to record a couple other videos and they've always turned out crap. I've been using a different camera. The videos are fine, it's just the audio's always been crap, and I don't really feel like doing the separate audio and syncing all that up. I just don't really want to do that. I guess I could, but I don't really feel I don't have the time. I hate this intersection. People turn out in front of you all the time. Don't understand why. I mean, they clearly have view of the road, but let's just, I don't know. Don't really get it. Big old pond. Look at the ducks on the pond. I'm not sure what kind of ducks those are. And cows. A lot of cows. Not really. But still, it's a couple of cows. That thing has been for sale for literally like 5 years. Don't think they're ever going to sell it. Who wants to buy an RV anyway when you can just stay inside in your own home? I don't know, that's just my opinion. This road's pretty fun. I mean, I don't know. There's not really many good riding roads where I live. There's some, but I don't know. If I want to go ride on any decent roads, I pretty much have to go up towards the, I don't know, I can't remember the name of the mountain range. I don't know, whatever. Something. I don't know. We'll just say up towards Gatlinburg / Pigeon Forge. I don't know. It's kind of up. Some of you people have heard of Deal's Gap. I have an interesting story about Deal's Gap, but I think I'll save that for another day. This is like the funnest curve in the entire area. I'm not joking. Well, it's safe to ride on. We've got some curves, but I don't understand the state don't maintain roads here at all, and it's just crappy. I mean, I don't get it. The road I'm about to ride on is just crappy. I mean, it's not no, it's crappy. Yeah, it's crappy. It's not like a major road at all, but still. The state needs to take into consideration. Some of us ride motorcycles and we depend on two wheels, so we need a little bit better road, but I don't know, I don't guess they care. It is freaking hot. It's really, I think it's almost too hot for the jacket. So it's like 85 degrees, but like with the humidity, it's like, it does not feel like 80 and 85 degrees. I don't know, if you've never experienced humidity, you're missing out on something just fantastic. The exhaust sounds good. I don't know. I like the sound of it. Oh yeah, I don't even know if I said the name of it. It's the Hot Bodies Growler. I got talked into buying that from my local dealer, and they're just, I don't know, they're a whole nother story. I don't even know why I go there. I mean, that's where I bought the bike from, and they helped me out on that, but other than that, I don't know. It's not very friendly. In the world, I mean, really? Wish I could see something, but no, I cannot see anything because we parked a damn car in the middle of the road. Oh, gosh. Whatever. Stand that crap. I hope the angle on this video is alright, because I don't know, it's kind of guessing. Probably not. I don't know. Hopefully it's decent. It's not. I'm sorry. Tried. Oh, fast curve. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm in the school zone. No, it's not time for the school zone. The cool zone. It is the cool zone because it's school, yo. That's about all I got. Hopefully this turns out good. Hopefully. I don't know. It's probably not even, it's not that interesting, but it's cool to me. So, you know. Thanks for watching.